Hello friends, in this problem you have been given two numbers and you have to find which number is greater number, larger number. And the first number is 88 raised to the power 89 and the second number is 89 raised to the power 88. How will you do this problem? So you have to compare these two numbers. Now generally when we have to compare, we look for the base and exponent in these kinds of problem. If bases are same, then we compare exponent. If exponent are same, we compare the bases. But in this case, both are different. In this case, 88 is the base, and in this case, 89 is the base. Base is different. And exponent, here 89 is the exponent, and here 88 is the exponent. So base is different as well as exponent is also different. So to solve such kind of problem, we often use ratio. So let us take the ratio of these two numbers. That is 89 raised to the power 88 and this divided by 88 raised to the power 89. Now if this ratio is greater than 1, this means numerator is greater. Less than 1, this means denominator is greater. Equal to 1, this means both numbers are equal. That is the idea to solve this problem. Now let us simplify a little bit. So you have 89 raised to the power 88, and in the denominator what you can do is you can write 88 raised to the power 88 plus 1. And if you remember rules of exponent, if you have a raised to the power m plus n, this can be written as a raised to power m times a raised to power n. So if I use this, I can rewrite this is 89 raised to the power 88 and this is 88 times 88 raised to the power 88. We have another rules of exponent, that is if you have a raised to the power m divided by b raised to the power m, this can be written as a by b raised to the power m. So if I use this, I can rewrite this becomes 1 by 88 and this is equals to 89 raised to the power 88 and this is 88 raised to the power 88. So this becomes 1 by 88 times 89 divided by 88 raised to the power 88. So this can be written as 1 by 88 times, this is nothing but 1 plus 1 by 88 raised to the power 88. Now see this. This is a kind of function in which you have fn is equals to 1 plus 1 by n raised to the power n. So this is something like this. You have fn and this is equals to 1 plus 1 by n raised to the power n. Let us investigate this function a little bit. So you have fn is equals to 1 plus 1 by n raised to the power n. What will be the value of f1? That is n is equals to 1. In this case, this is 1 plus 1 by 1 raised to the power 1. This is equals to 2. What will be the value of f2? That is 1 plus 1 by 2 and this is raised to the power 2. That is 1.5 whole square. This is 2.25. Similarly, f3 you can calculate. This is 1 plus 1 by 3 whole square. That is 1.33 whole square. So this is 2.37. So if you keep doing, and if n tends to infinity, then you can have a limiting situation. That is limiting situation if n is a very large number. Then limiting value of this expression is equals to e. And the value of e is 2.718282. You have more digit, but this is sufficient for our purpose. So now see, if you increase n, then maximum value that is possible is 2.71. So it starts from 2. So the first value was 2. There was little increase, 0.25 of increase. Then again very little increase, that is 0.12 is increase. So increase is slow, and final value is 2.71, something around 2.71. So you cannot go beyond 2.71. For any value of n, you can have n is equals to 88 in our case, or you can have n is equals to 89, 90, 100, any value. The maximum value of this function will be 2.71. So this means what is the value of our ratio? So now I can say this ratio will be 1 by 88, and this value is, maximum value is 2.71. This means in fact this will be less than this value. And of course this total value is less than 1. So if you calculate this divided by this, so this will be less than 1. So now I can say this whole thing is less than 1. So my ratio is less than 1. And what was the ratio? 89 raised to the power 88, and this divided by 88 raised to the power 89, and this ratio is less than 1. This means denominator is bigger. So from here I can say 89 raised to the power 88 is less than 88 raised to the power 89. So this number is a larger number. I hope you like this video, and if you like, please share with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and like this video also in the channel itself. And I will see you in the